68 years of non-stop hiccups. Charles Osborne's life was a relentless symphony of diaphragm spasms. It all started in 1922 when a seemingly harmless fall triggered the longest hiccup attack in recorded history. Imagine hiccuping through the Roaring Twenties, the Great Depression, and World War II, each era marked by an uninterrupted rhythm of hiccups. Doctors were baffled, unable to silence the involuntary contractions that ruled Osborne's life. Yet, he adapted, mastering the art of speaking and eating amidst the constant interruptions. His condition became a part of who he was, turning him into a living legend of medical curiosities. For 68 years, Osborne's hiccups were a constant companion until they mysteriously ceased in 1990, just 1 year before his passing. His story is a testament to human resilience, an extraordinary tale of endurance in the face of an unyielding bodily quirk.